previous video we designed the USB type C circuit. Now we need to convert that 5 volt into the stable 3.3 for ESP32. This is the power section. I am using a AMS 3.3 regulator. But why? I choose this, and why should you not use it? AMS 117 is a linear regulator, that is LDO. It works by dropping extra voltage as a heat. So I just give the 5 volt and output is 3.3 and dropping is 1.7, so that is converted into the heat. ESP32 can draw up to 400 to 500 milliamps at the peak. So power loss is equals to the P equals to V in minus V out into I. So we get 0.85 volt heat. That's a lot of for a small regulator. But if you design a product, so you need to carry the cost of the product. So I want to make a low cost design. So I choose this LDO, and it is simple design, low cost, less noise, and good for the beginners. But it is not always the best choice. Okay. A buck converter is a switching regulator. It's convert voltage efficiency using the switching transistors, inductor, diodes, MOSFETs. So if you have to make a professional board, you can use a buck converter also. So buck versus LDO, what is the comparison? So LDO is simpler, cheap, low noise, low efficiency. If you use buck, that is high efficiency, less heat, more complex, and needs proper layout. So use LDO if low current, simple design, and prototyping. If you go buck converter, so it is use high, it's give the high current, battery powered, and heat is concern. So this is my regulator section, and I make some changes with ESP32. I add a pull up register at IO0. Okay, and enable pins I give a pull up with capacitors, and a stable 3.3 volt I use 3 capacitors. So in this video you will learn how to pull up IO0 by using 10 kilo ohm and a RC circuit for the enable pins and some capacitors for regulate proper power for 3.3 volt. This is the final part of this video. In next video we will work with ESP32 pins and connected with this headers, and in the next video we will design a USB to UART section. If you like video, please subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.